street, and we're gonna be walking through and show you guys the light up here. So this is little Aiden here. Let's give you the invitation. Give you a little sit. And this is Anne here. Hi as usual. Aiden, say hi to the subscribers. Eating the ice cream.
I'll never see.
No, you just feed you 1 or 2 times. So guys, this is the one Guyana village here. So they have like different cafes painted there. Coconut water. I'll come back and support you. I'm not sure what they're doing here. These are the tree. This is the quartz tree here.
I like this. You don't have to do too much stress. That's what I said. Oh, shucks.
Guys, I'm at Main Street here, and guess who I see?
Hello. What's going on? Make sure y'all subscribe. Don't worry with who I is. Make sure y'all go and subscribe.
Alright. I just realized I forgot to change my slippers. Guys, so we just met the gospel singer Samuel Meadows. So we're just scrolling through here. Over there is the Tower Hotel. We have like bars here. And courts open still. I know courts is open till night time. Over there they have like hot dogs. This is courts there. Here selling like local arts and crafts. Yeah, all this area is local arts and crafts, locally made. Over there is the hotel tower. And these are some beautiful plants here. Over there is court. Nice light up. So there's a little tour of the little village for you guys. Everything is locally made here. Locally made. This is the Christmas village. Got the thumbnail in front. That's the Bank of Guyana. There. Guys, see that? So we're walking back to our car now, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this little tour of the light up on Main Street, the Christmas village. Going course a second. Huh? There you go. Let's see this microwave. coconut water for me. I tell you, I'm buying coconut water. How much is coconut water? $2.60. Oh, this one. Yeah, pick up this one. Yeah, I put some one. I'll take them back. Aiden gets coconut water. Alright, thanks. Come on. Take it out. Oh, this is the opportunity. Selling cassava chip over there. Oh, here's a small business view.
It's a moving.
This is honey.
Yeah?
It's
You gotta move it. That's since Friday.
thing they're selling. No, twinkle. So guys, this is a little tour of the Christmas village here. So just a little tour. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little tour of our Christmas village on Main Street. So I hope you guys like my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok at cookingwithafton. This is me, Aiden here, so don't forget to subscribe guys. Thanks for watching and happy Vlogmas. Bye guys. Aiden say tell the subscriber bye. Say bye. Bye guys.